Hi everyone, this is Stacy and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, we are going to open a box of happiness. The seller of this box of happiness is Juselson Cactolens. Naka-order na ako before sa kanya. Ito yung FB page niya and I strongly recommend this seller. So this is the box. It's a mini kilo box. So let's start opening it and see what's inside. I'm just using a small knife to open it. As you can see, it is well packed inside. It is wrapped in newspaper. So these are succulents that I ordered from Juselson Cactolens. So let's remove all of them from the box. So ayan lahat yung laman ng box. Wala nang naiiwan. So let's go to the second box. It's a kilo box small. Same seller pa rin. So dalawang box yung pinadala niya. So let's start opening it. As you can see, katulad ng first pack, it is well packed inside the box. So, let's start removing it. And, nakaka-surprise kasi may surprise from Mitch B. So, Sisi Mitch, thank you sa pa-surprise. And guys, ito yung YT channel niya. Please visit and subscribe to her channel. Watch her video at napaka-informative ng kanyang channel. Marami rin akong natutunan sa channel niya. So, tanggalin muna natin lahat ng laman ng box kasi para may enough space tayo pag nag-unwrap tayo kasi yung half ng long white table may laman kasi na mga succulents. So, let's start with this surprise from Sisi Mitch. Thank you so much, Sisi. I'm so excited. So, it's a sugar jelly. Ang ganda niya. So, wala pa akong ganito sa garden ko. So, it's my first time na mag-aalaga ako ng ganitong succulent. The next one is a variegated Tito Buns. So, let's unwrap the third one. It's an aron pie. So, as you can see, well-dried and napakalinis mag-air dry ni seller. So, I strongly recommend her. The next one is a hybrid of Lawi and Murasaki. And the fifth one is a blue opalina. Ang ganda, ang laki pala. The sixth one is a free from seller. I don't know if it is, ito yung tinatawag na pink pearls. And another surprise from Sisi Mitch. So, everything nice at me, Succulent Love. Thank you so much for your surprise. And please subscribe to her channel. So, let's open the surprise. Aba, talaga namang nakaka-surprise. It's a variegated Medina. Napakaganda ng color. Thank you so much, Sisi. And let's open the eighth one. It's a Tomentosa Milotti. So, yung texture niya is parang hairy. Ganun talaga yung mga Tomentosa. And then the next one is a big West Rainbow. So, ito na yung ikalawang West Rainbow ko. Pali, matagal na yung, I think 2 years ago pa yung huling West Rainbow ko. Kasi, namatay siya, hindi niya nakayanan yung green or shine na setup. The 10th one is a Poldensis. So, may Poldensis ako, pero mas shiny yung leaves. Ito, ibang variety naman. And then, the 11th one is the Pink Opalina. So, ayusin lang natin para mamaya pag video natin, pag tapos na tayo mag-unwrap, is maganda siyang tignan. Then, the next one is a Raindrops. So, nahihirapan akong i-maintain yung parental nung Raindrops. palagi pag bumibili ako, una maganda siya, tapos nawawala. So, the 13th one is a Darth Vader. And the 14th one is a Hamel Sunset. So, it's first time ko magkaroon ng ganyan. So, ang meron lang kasi ako dito is yung jade plant. Tapos, hindi pa siya variegated. The next one is, I don't know if it is an agave, but the 16th one is a gypsy. Seventeenth one is a bluebird. So, maliit lang siya, parang token size. I bought it for 50 pesos. And then, the next one is a hagay. And then, Echeveria kissing. So, after the kissing, hindi ko na alam yung pangalan ng succulent. Pero, it's an Echeveria type. And then the next one is Lilacina monstrous. So we're finally done unwrapping all the succulents. Let's now have a final and closer look of each one of them. Enjoy watching! that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like my sharing for today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless us all. Bye.